Hi, EDU 682 students. This is Dr. Legler, and I wanted to give you a preview of our first week together. The topic for this week is Foundations of Educational Technology. And as you scroll down this page, you will see some information about TPACK, which is a framework that you'll be using throughout this course. So make sure that you look at this framework very carefully. And then I'd like you to read this article which describes the TPACK framework. And you can also watch this short video. Then you'll be learning how to develop TPACK with learning activity types by reading this article. And this website right here will show you different activity types. And all of this will eventually help you with integrating technology in your curriculum. This week, besides the things I mentioned, you'll want to read the syllabus very carefully. You can ask questions in the Teacher's Lounge, which you'll find in discussions, or you can email me any questions you may have. You'll also want to complete your introduction. It will be a video introduction, and there are tutorials on how to do that once you click on this here link. You'll want to do that by Sunday, June 14th by 11:55 p.m. You do not need to reply to any of your peers in that discussion for this week. In future weeks, you will need to reply to the posts of some of your peers. I'd also like you to go through this Learning Activity Types short course. Although it's developed for elementary educators, I think it applies to K through 12, and it'll help you better understand learning activity types. And then finally, you'll be completing Assignment 1, in which you will be developing a website. That will be due by 11:55 p.m. on Sunday, June 14th. I'll have some additional instructions through a video when you click on this link. As far as navigating the course website, you can get to each weekly page by going to Pages. And this is the kind of introduction page to the course. And then you can go to View All Pages, and it'll list all 5 weeks. And what I had just shown you previously was week 1. Alternatively, you could get to these pages through modules. In modules, you'll see that welcome page, week 1, and then the discussion in week 1 and the assignment for week 1. And that same layout occurs in each of the following weeks. And you'll find the weekly page right under the dates. Okay. So if you have any questions or having trouble navigating the website, please let me know. I look forward to working with you this semester, and I hope you have a great week. And I look forward to getting to know you better in the introductions discussion.